In today's video, I want to show you how to add sounds on TikTok. To add sounds on TikTok, this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do, you have to open up your TikTok app. So once you open up your TikTok app, the first thing you want to do, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Once you tap on that plus icon, then you want to select a video or a photo that you want to add sounds to. Just tap on this thing. And let's choose a random one here. Let's choose a random photo here. Let's choose this one. So let's say this is the photo that I want to post and I want to add sounds to it. Just tap on next at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that next, it will take you to this place. So how do you actually add sounds? If you check the upper side, the top, then to ask you to choose whatever you want to, the music you want to use. So how do you actually choose the music you want to use? If you can see, we have a lot of musics here that I can use. If I don't find anyone useful here, if I have the one that I want to use, if you check the right side, you are going to see a search icon over there. Just tap on that search icon to search for any music that you want. And once you get the music you want, just tap on the music. And once you tap on the music, just tap on the music and remove this, then the music will be added to this video or this photo successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually add sounds on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.